All right, this is our next stop. I think the plan is to throw out goldfish right now. We might decide to do something different, but we're just gonna throw out live goldfish, see what happens.
That's what we have. That's what we're gonna
There's
use.
a little bit of everything in this lake, canal, whatever you want to call it.
Fire slowly starting over here.
Someone left some wood here, so we threw some in the fire without even starting it. It's still hot in there, so obviously someone was here recently.
Eventually we're gonna cook some pork chops.
But yeah, Alyssa's gonna cook some dinner.
My favorite thing to do when we're out camping.
We'll keep the rods out all night, see what happens.
We
Stick
have
with us.
Pinky in the brain, peanut butter, and Grimace out tonight. Peanut butter and Pinky are gonna do the best, and they're gonna catch the most fish. Watch.
We'll see.
Watch and see.
I'm gonna win.
No, you're not.
But you know how we do it. Got the car camping. We're getting ready to set that all up. But,
Exciting.
let's get to it. See if we can catch some
It's
fish.
too exciting. We gotta get rods out first.
It's a chance of storms, so we might be watching a movie later, but we'll bring you all along with
You
us.
did download one. Yes.
I did. So
We'll still have rods out though.
Yep.
If it storms,
Let's
we
get the
got
rods
rod
out.
tips. You'll see. It'll be dark soon enough.
Yep.
Let's get these rods out before we lose the sunset. What in the Kevin Rivers do you have going on here?
I just don't want them banging in your head.
It's perfect.
Go big or go home.
I guess. What can we even catch out of here? What the heck?
Everything you could catch at any of the canal system.
So like,
Flathead, channel cat,
oh, okay.
walleye.
Would channel cats eat this?
Oh, heck yeah. So would walleye.
Hi, Zingy. We gotta lob it. Okay, great.
Mosquitoes are out. This stuff works pretty good. I think it's actually made in Iowa. Kind of neat. Bug soother. But it's all natural, so that's cool. Just spray down. And it doesn't smell bad either. Actually smells good.
Welcome to our paradise. Oh. Okay, come with me. We have our beautiful mesh netting so we can have our windows down at night with the breeze. I'm getting in our cooler. We have a battery operated cooler to get my, not a sandwich, pork chop stuff. Come check out our bed. Our nice, beautiful mattress in there. Our storage.
Storage and bait.
Storage and bait. Love it. Love it. Our lovely rod rack that Jeremy so kindly put blood, sweat, and tears into. And then we set up over here. At nighttime, you guys will see the little lights up there. Hopefully they're still working. But I gotta get cooking. We're hungry. I'm working on a fire over here. And I'm gonna cook in our campground kitchen tonight.
So I'm sitting here at our camp, going through Facebook like everyone does, scrolling aimlessly through your phones. And I see the comment on a picture I just posted of our camp that said the life. And yes, for me, for Alyssa, this is the life. This is what we love. This is what we enjoy. So what I say to you is live life while you're alive. Just live it. Whether this is what you like or it's something else, live it to the fullest. We really enjoy this adventure we're on. The car camping, the fishing, traveling, that's something we love. And we're just enjoying it to the fullest while we're here. It's not about money. Trust me, I live paycheck to paycheck. But this is what I choose to spend my money on. And I'm enjoying it. So get out there, live life. No matter what it is you like, just enjoy it.
liked. Oh, which is you.
They're the smoke.
Ones, so we might have to cook them for a minute. Wow! Perfect. Beautiful.
Cooking steam.
I've seen those for a bit because you like those when they're like that.
I do.
Our taters look good though.
They do. The cups are amazing.
Oh my gosh. And they're of course already seasoned with you know what.
Midwest flavor.
You got it. It's our favorite. Literally put it on everything. Don't worry, I taste tested our potatoes and our asparagus. Oh yeah, that's good.
Beautiful.
Are you hungry?
Mm-hmm. Are you hungry?
Yes. Always.
Angry?
Hangry.
Does that look good or what? It's not the or what.
Oh, I'm so hungry. Perfect.
Mm-hmm.
I might just eat this like a Neanderthal. Pork chop every time.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not pit boss, it's so good.
Yeah, pit boss. Awesome. Still got the rods out, but we've been up since pretty early this morning, so we actually gonna go lay down. And we're actually gonna pull up a movie. Yeah, we still enjoy movies out here when we're car camping sometimes. We just pull them up on our phone. Much smaller screen, but sometimes we gotta download them if we're in areas that there ain't very good service, like this spot. So we have one downloaded that we're gonna watch tonight. And just relax, and maybe a fish will come along, maybe it won't. Either way, we're enjoying the night, so that's what we're doing next, because I'm getting tired. There's our TV. Hey, now you can see our rods.
You can.
Watch
It took
the
to
TV?
the rod.
Yeah, it's our rod. Until we're watching TV.
Perfect.
It works.
Wait for a rod to go down.
Yep, the rods are out there. Four blue lights. Good morning, y'all. Just waking up. Alyssa's still sleeping. Don't think we got any action really last night on the rods. It's been raining on and off since probably about 2 a.m. But I'll check them in a minute. And we're just gonna load up and head to our next spot. She wants to cook breakfast, but we might do it somewhere else, so. Oh. Hear the birds. It's just beautiful to wake up to places like this. Well, let's check the rods. Wake myself up.
No fishies last night.
Nope.
But I'm stinky and I need a shower. And Jeremy got a new doohickey shower. So we're gonna try it out, but definitely gonna brush teeth and refresh and regroup for the morning. Maybe have some breakfast. Yeah, we'll see. Hopefully it'll clear up. Yeah, it's pretty rainy, so definitely just gonna focus on getting clean this morning.
Gonna try our new shower out for the first time. It's the pump, shower head. I forgot to bring a 5-gallon bucket, and technically you could just drop this shower in the lake if you wanted to and do it in the lake. We do use all natural soap, but I'm just gonna use this container. Still holds 3 gallons. We're just gonna fill it up in this crystal clear lake. There's the shower.
How exciting!
We got 3 gallons of water there. We'll see if that's enough to take a quick shower. Whew, cold. Cold on the face.
Oh, look, I could even do hair out in the wild. Oh! Wardrobe malfunction. Oopsie. Patreon. Oh my gosh, that's funny. Oh, I love this already, though. Feels good to get clean though. But the clearer the water, the colder it is. Oh, this is cool. But cold. Okay, so the shower was a success. That was freaking amazing.
Yeah,
Jeremy said it was like a $30 investment, and yeah, that was amazing. However, there was no fishies last night or today, and I should probably get some clothes on, and we gotta hunt down fish because that's actually what I have on the menu for lunch. So thank you guys so much for joining us on this car camping outdoor wicked adventure. Catch us on the next one because we gotta go hunt down lunch.
Yep. Stay wicked, y'all.
We found a toad.
You have to kneel down.
Let's put it in Jeremy's shoe. Just kidding. Okay, bye, guy. Bye, 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 bye.